into lives to be lived. We rejoice, the one to set sail, with no thought of the ship coming in. 1, 2 feet back on dry land, and I'm ready to go out again. I long for the salt in the air, giving me freedom, taking my care away. Cathedrals in midair. 1, 2 ships to cross paths. 7 lifetimes we